it's a real privilege to be able to teach the future, and we really like to nurture our students. With that in mind, we spend a lot of time thinking about our student mental health and well-being, and in particular resilience. Sometimes when you're studying at university, it can be extremely challenging. So we feel that as part of your toolkit, we have to enable you to become resilient. And we embed that into our programme to give you those opportunities to develop. I'm really proud of the experience that we offer here at Bangor. The only way for you to experience that is to come and join us. If you can certainly come and join us for a virtual open day, we can answer all of the questions that you might have about the design of the course, the options that you may be able to take as you join us, the unique things that no other university might offer you, and to just get a sense of who we are, what we can give you, because this is a great big choice for you, and the rest of your life is so important, and it starts now, doesn't it? You're making that decision now for the rest of your life. And also, if you join us for an open day, you'll get to speak to current students, and they'll always give you the truth about who we are and what we can offer you.